Welcome to Akohub. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create your first Instagram Reels promotion campaign. By using Ako's campaign automation feature, you can stay engaged with your customers 24/7. This allows you to increase your number of leads and have higher conversion rates. Before you start, make sure to connect your Facebook page and Instagram business account. Next, make sure that you also allow access to manage Instagram direct message. Let's start creating your campaign. To get started, navigate to Campaigns and click Create Campaign. Now, you can click Instagram Reels Promotion. Click Continue and start editing your campaign. As previously mentioned, make sure that you have your Facebook and Instagram business account set before we move on to the second step. To set your campaign automation, type a campaign name. Then, you can select a Publish Reels. You can also enable a specific keyword detection to allow the system to send rewards to your audience that leaves a specific comments. Here's an example. You can also reply in the comment with a specific message. Similarly, you can also reply in direct message. Now you can choose the types of rewards you want, whether it be discount code, points, or none. If you select the discount code option, you can choose from the discounts created in your Shopify account admin. Please keep in mind that points rewards are available in Platinum plan or above. Feel free to set the points expiration date or choose them to never expire. In the website URL field, enter the URL of the product you want to promote. It will be sent into a short link as a message to track performance. If you want to encourage more store members to interact with your Instagram promotion campaign, it's recommended to announce the promotion on the loyalty widget. The loyalty widget will be displayed in a visible location on the storefront. You can use the preview section to customize an attractive announcement message, or you can also customize an icon. When customizing an icon, keep in mind that it has to be a 1:1 ratio with a file size less than 50 KB. And that's it. By integrating our campaign automation feature, you get to engage with your customers anytime and anywhere. Try Ako Marketing today and stay tuned for more videos.